Mobile robots enable you to efficiently automate your material handling tasks. The challenge is to keep productivity high while ensuring safety for your personnel. At SICK, we have teamed up with Jungheinrich, a leading provider of intralogistics solution. Our goal? Improve the efficiency and safety of mobile robots through cutting-edge innovations. In this video, we show you how 3D safety using the SICK safeVisionary2 delivers exactly that. Mobile robots often share the same workplace as humans. This mobile robot is equipped with safety laser scanners from SICK, safely detecting people nearby. But what about obstacles above the scanning plane of the safety laser scanners? Such objects, when hit by the vehicle, can cause an indirect hazard to people. Enter safeVisionary2, the world's first 3D time-of-flight camera with a safety certification of performance level C. safeVisionary2 enhances the safety application by providing a 3D protective field. Let's take a closer look. Imagine a manned vehicle crosses the path of the mobile robot. The lifted pallet can cause a collision hazard, as it cannot be seen by the safety laser scanners. Thanks to its 3D environment perception, safeVisionary2 detects the pallet and prevents a collision, keeping both goods and persons safe. Unlike alternatives, such as angled 2D LiDAR sensors, the 3D time-of-flight camera provides a gapless monitoring. Depending on the application, an automatic restart can therefore be realized. As soon as the path is free again, the mobile robot starts up automatically, without the need of a manual restart. This increases the productivity of the mobile robot. By the way, safeVisionary2 also provides very precise 3D measurement data, combining safety with automation. Benefit from innovative solutions for the safe automation of your material handling tasks and immerse yourself in a new dimension of safety and productivity of mobile robots. Thanks for watching, and let's move into new dimensions together.